maging matiyaga upang matuto dito sa aking channel, Sir Jones. Our objective today is to divide 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers without and with remainder. So, ang topic na to is for grade 4 pupils. And of course, pwede rin naman sa mga grade 5 up to 6 or even high school students. What are the steps in dividing numbers? Number 1, divide the numbers. If a number cannot be divided, move to a higher number. Number 2, multiply and then subtract. Bring down the numbers. Number 3, repeat the steps until there are no more numbers to bring down. And lastly, check your answer. To check our answer, see to it that the dividend is equivalent to quotient times divisor. And if there is a remainder, you need to add that remainder. Now, if a problem is written in horizontal form, the first number will serve as our dividend, while the second number is the divisor. But if it is written in a normal way of dividing numbers, dividend ang nasa loob, divisor ang nasa labas, at quotient ang nasa taas. So I guess you are now ready to divide 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers without and with remainder. So let us have our first example. Example number 1. 346 divided by 8. So this is a 3-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. Now, following the steps, since our problem is written in horizontal form, gagawin natin siya nung normal way of dividing numbers. So, 346 ang nasa loob kasi siya yung tinatawag nating dividend. While 8 yung nasa labas kasi siya yung ating divisor. Okay? Now, since you have 1 digit here, titingin ka rin sa loob ng 1 digit. And our first step is to divide this number by 8. So, how many 8 in 3? Is it possible or not? If not, we will move to a higher number according to our step number 1. So, instead of 3 divided by 8, it is now 34 divided by 8. So, how many 8s in 34? Well, if you memorize, let's say, the multiplication table, you can easily determine how many 8s in 34. But, if you do not know that multiplication table, you can apply the continuous addition. So, paano yun? Katulad nito, since your divisor is 8, add 8 consecutively. So, 8 plus 8, the answer is 16. And then 16 plus 8, the answer is 24. And then 24 plus 8, the answer is 32. And then 32 plus 8, the answer is 40. So, kanina, meron ka lang 34. But you have this sum 16, 24, 32, and then 40. So, more closely ay itong 32. So, how many 8s in 34? So, you have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So, write your answer on top of 4. So, it is 4. Ilan nga ulit? Yung 4 na 8. According to here, meron kang 32. So, dito ang sulat nung 32. And then for the second step, diba, after multiplying 4 times 8, the product is 32, you need to subtract this. Ano? So 4 minus 2, the answer is 2. And 3 minus 3, 0. So no need to write. And then, sabi doon, bring down the numbers. Well, bring down 6. So our new problem now is 26 divided by 8. So looking at this addition by 8, so closer to 26 is 24. Okay? So, by the way, hindi lang siya basta closer ha, dapat it should be less than or equal to this dividend. Ano? So, 24 is the answer. So, how many 8s to get 24? So, we have 1, 2, 3 8s. So, write your answer on top. So, 3. Again, 3 times 8. The answer is 24. Time to subtract. So, 6 minus 4. The answer is 2. Now, there are no more numbers to bring down. So, this, therefore, will be your remainder. Okay? So, our answer is what? 43, remainder 2. Okay? Now, to check our answer, sabi natin, it should be dividend is quotient times divisor. What is our quotient? So, by the way, your dividend is 346. And then, your quotient is 43. Then, multiplied by your divisor 8. And then, plus your remainder 2. Okay? So, what is 8 times 3? The answer is 24. Carry 2. 8 times 4, 32 plus 2 is 34. And then 344 plus 2. So, the answer is 346. Meaning, this answer is correct. That's it. Example number 2. Suppose you have 4,420 divided by 3. What is the quotient? Since your divisor is a one-digit number, titingin ka ulit sa dividend ng one-digit number. So, your problem is 4 divided by 3. Meaning, how many 3 in 4? Of course, there is 1 3 in 4. So, makakakuha ka ng 3 sa 4 ng isang grupo. So, 1 times 3, the product is 3. And then, subtract 4 minus 3. The answer is 1. And then, bring down 4. So, in bringing down, dapat isa-isa lang muna. Dahil pag possible, itong i-divide yung new dividend sa divisor, then, pwede natin siyang i-continue. If not, so magkakaroon tayo ng sagot na 0 sa taas. Pero since you can get 3's in 14, ang tanong, ilan? So, kagaya na ginawa natin kanina, we can apply continuous addition of our given divisor. So, it is 3 plus 3. The answer is 6. Then plus 3, the answer is 9. And then plus 3, the answer is 12. And then plus 3 again, the answer is 15. Now, take note, you are looking for a sum which is equal to or less than your dividend 14. So, in this case, meron kang sum of 6, 9, 12, and 15. So, less than or equal to 14 is 12. So, how many 3's in 14? So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, meron ka lang 4 3's in 14. And that is 4 times 3. The answer is 12. So, subtract 4 minus 2. The answer is 2. 1 minus 1. The answer is 0. So, no need to write. Again, bring down the next number, which is 2. So it is now 22 divided by 3. So since you only have 15 here, continue working. So plus 3, it is 18. And then plus 3 again, the answer is 21. And then if it is plus 3 again, the answer is 24. So number or sum closer, equal to or less than 22 here is 21. So how many 3's if it is 21? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the answer. So write your answer on top, 7. And 7 times 3, again, it is 21. So subtract 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. And then lastly, bring down 0. So how many 3's in 10? So look at the sum, which is equal to or less than 10. So it is 9. So how many 3's in 9? 1, 2, 3. So write your answer here, 3. And 3 times 3, the answer is 9. And then 10 minus 9, the answer is 1. And this is our remainder. Meaning to say, your answer is 1,473, remainder 1. So, that's it. Yun na ulit ang ating sagot. Ayos? Ayos. Example number 3. Suppose you have 8,146 divided by 23. What is the quotient? So this problem is a 4-digit number divided by 2-digit number. Now, since you have 2 digits here, titingin ka sa loob ng 2 digits. Your problem is 81 divided by 23. Or, how many 23's in 81? Since 2 digits ito, it is better kung i-apply mo yung consecutive addition ng iyong divisor. Para nang sa gayon, hindi ka mahirapang mag-isip. So, again, 23 is our divisor. So, let us add 23 by itself. So, 23 plus 23, the sum is 46. And then plus 23 again, the sum is 69. Plus 23, so we have here 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry 1. So, the sum is 92. So, again, we are looking for a sum which is equal to or less than 81, and that is 69. So how many 23's in 69? 1, 2, 3. So write your answer dun sa tapat ng 1. So write 3. And 3 times 3, it is 9. 3 times 2, it is 6. And then time to subtract. 1 minus 9 cannot be, so this will become 11, while 8 will become what? 7. 11 minus 9, it is 2, and 7 minus 6, it is 1. Again, bring down the next number, which is 4. So it is 124 divided by 23. Or how many 23's in 124? Going back on this, meron ka palang 92, so add another 23. So you have here 5 and then 11. And then adding another 23 will give you what? 138. So closer, or less than 124 here is 115. So how many 23's meron doon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the answer. So write your answer on top of 4. That is 5. 5 times 3, it is 15. So carry 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Then subtract. 4 minus 5 cannot be. So this will become 14, while this will become 1. 14 minus 5, it is 9. And then 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So it's only 9. And then again, bring down the next number, 6. So sum closer to 96 or equal to 96 or less than 96 is 92. So how many 23s? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write your answer on top of 6, 4. 4 times 3, it is 12. Carry 1 again. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, it is 9. Then subtract 6 minus 2, the answer is 4. 9 minus 9, the answer is 0. There's no number to bring down, so therefore, 4 here is our remainder. So our quotient is 354, remainder 4. Okay? Ayos. Our last example, example number 4. Suppose we have 7,432 divided by 24. What is the quotient? So since our divisor is a 2-digit number, ibig sabihin, 2 digits din yung titingnan nyo sa dividend. So, your problem is 74 divided by 24. Or, how many 24s or group of 24s are there in 74? So, katulad nung ginawa natin, you can apply continuous addition nung given divisor, which is 24. So, 24 plus 24, the answer is 48. And then 48 plus 24, the answer is 12, carry 1, 72. So we know that 72 is less than 74 by 2. So therefore, how many 24s are there? So 1, 2, 3. There are 24 or 3 24s in 74. So 3 times 4, it is 12. Carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, it is 7. Then time to subtract. 4 minus 2, the answer is 2. 7 minus 7, the answer is 0. Now, bring down this number 3. Our new problem is 23 divided by 24. How many 24 in 23? Would it be possible? So, makakakuha ba tayo ng 24 sa 23? Of course, hindi. If that is our case, you need to write 0 on top of 3. And then, what's next? Ibig sabihin, mag-move tayo dun sa sinasabi natin to a higher number. Meaning, i-bring down na rin natin yung 2. So, our new problem is 232 divided by 24. So let us continue doing this. So plus 24, we have here 96. Plus 24 again, so we have here 10, carry 1, and then 12. Plus 24 again, it's 144. And then plus 24, so we have here 168. And then plus 24 is 192. And then from 192 plus 24, we have here 6, 11, carry 1. So it's 216 plus 24, of course, is 240. Meaning, number, or let's say sum, less than or equal to 232 here is 216. So ilang 24 yon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the correct answer. So 9. 9 times 4, it is 36. Carry 3. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 3, it is 21. And then subtract 2 minus 6 cannot be. Borrow 1 from 3. So this will become 12. And then this will become what? 2. O, ibig sabihin ng mga bata, nanghiram tayo ng 1/10 dun sa 3/10. Okay, kaya siya naging 12. So 12 minus 6, the answer is 6. And 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. Meaning to say, wala na tayong i-bring down. So 16 here is our remainder. Therefore, ang quotient natin is 309, remainder 16. Okay? So that's it. Ayos. Muli po, maraming salamat sa inyong matiyagang pakikinig upang matuto dito sa aking channel, Sir Joel. But please do not forget to click like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more notifications. Thank you, thank you!